So guys, welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'll be doing another fruit or blended juice. I have this is for another batch, so I'm going to be doing two videos in one. That is for one batch. Before I'm going to blend some cherries. So I have my big mix container, and here are my cherries. Just going to pop in a handful. Just gonna pop in a handful of cherries. These are some small cherries. Now you can blend these with whatever other fruit you want. So think about cherries and probably cherries and melon, or cherry and which other fruit I want to blend it with. Could also cherry and ginger. If you want, you can add some ginger to it as well. So I'm just doing some little juice ideas for our juice ideas ready and quick and easy. We blend them. Now you can do this in a blender, but I'm using my Nutribullet again. But if you have a blender, that's okay. So I put it in my Nutribullet. Make sure it's tightly sealed. Then I just pop that on. Blend again to my container. I just want to add our cherries. But as I said before, you can blend the cherry with anything you want. So to go the bad ones. So guys, you know it's summer. We have to have these juices, nice refreshing juices that we can grab at any time of the day and drink it because it's so hot. So these are some nice, just refreshing juice you can try. Just put them in the fridge, allow them to chill, and you realize how refreshing they are. So for this cherry, you know that we have to strain it. I'm gonna add my water, but you know that because it had the cherry having seeds and everything is getting blended, you'll have to strain it. I'm gonna add on my cover. Make sure that it's tightly sealed, guys. Tightly sealed. Oopsie. Sure that it's tightly sealed. No. Here's our Nutribullet. So make sure it's tightly closed, and then we're gonna blend. This video, so for this I'll be using some watermelon. I got some pineapple here, and I also have some star fruit. So as you can see, these are the little star fruit shaped fruit.